In this video, we will explore a selection of essential IELTS vocabulary words and phrases designed to help you communicate more effectively and achieve a higher score on your exam. Here are examples for each of your vocabulary words, showing how they function in everyday sentences. Foundational verbs and adjectives. Compile. Gather. The intern had to compile all the research data into a single report before the meeting. Explicit. Clear. The teacher gave explicit instructions so there would be no confusion about the assignment. Discrete. Separate. The project was broken down into 4 discrete phases to make it more manageable. Rigidify. Stiffen. We need to act now before public opinion begins to rigidify against the new policy. Constrain. Limit. A tight budget will constrain our ability to hire new staff this year. Logical transitions and academic terms. Inclined. Likely. Since it's a holiday weekend, people are inclined to stay out later than usual. Nonetheless, however, the hike was exhausting. Nonetheless, the view from the top was worth every step. Empirical. Fact-based. The scientists sought empirical evidence to prove their theory rather than relying on guesswork. Arbitrary. Random. The seating chart seemed arbitrary, but it was actually alphabetical by middle name. Negligible. Tiny. The difference in price between the 2 brands was negligible, so I chose the one I liked more. Impact in change. Crucial. Essential. Vitamin C is crucial for maintaining a healthy immune system. Enhance. Improve. You can enhance the flavor of the soup by adding a pinch of fresh herbs. Diminish. Decrease. The loud music didn't diminish her focus while she was reading. Alter. Change. We had to alter our travel plans after the flight was delayed by 3 hours. Daily actions and descriptions. Discuss. Talk. We need to discuss the details of the contract before we sign anything. Complete. Finish. It took him nearly 2 years to complete his first novel. Persist. Continue. If the symptoms persist for more than 2 days, you should see a doctor. Gorgeous. Beautiful. The sunset over the ocean was absolutely gorgeous. Enormous. Huge. The new stadium is enormous, seating over 80,000 people. Rapid. Fast. The tech industry has seen rapid growth over the last decade. Leisurely. Slow. On Sundays, they usually take a leisurely stroll through the park.